All of freedom lies within the concept of freedom of choice. When one is no longer free to choose, one has lost all the freedom there is. The basic freedom of choice is between making and not making a postulate. In life, this translates into the freedom of choice to play or not play a game. Thus, to the degree that the playing of games becomes compulsive, freedom becomes lost. All entrapment is to be found in the compulsive playing of games. The route from entrapment to freedom, then, lies in the regaining of one's freedom of choice to play or not play games. As the being got himself into this trap, then only the being can get himself out of this trap. One being can show another the route out, but the trapped being must walk this route out himself. Thus, one being cannot free another, he can only help him to free himself. You will never find freedom over that way. No matter how thoroughly you ransack this universe in search of freedom, you will only discover more and more traps. Indeed, the search for freedom over that way is one of the basic traps of the universe. You can say to another being, "Free me," and with the best intent in the world he will only succeed in making you into his slave. The very best he can do for you is to show you the nature of life and games, and indicate the route out of the trap. The rest is up to you. This is the basic truth about freedom.